Game! Hello! Nasa Expo na naman ako. Si Ninyo naman ang kasama ko. First time niyang mag-ikot-ikot dito sa Expo Dubai. Saan tayo pupunta? Pupunta kami ngayon sa sa Morocco Pavilion. Ito ang Morocco Pavilion. Ito ang papasokin namin ngayon. May konting pila, pero okay lang.
Welcome to Morocco. You will discover 2020 facets and much more. This exhibition is designed as a stroll through our pavilion. All you need to do is open the doors of your choosing to experience an extraordinary Morocco beyond your expectations. Morocco is a land of people driven by strong values. People who are open to others because they understand the universal dimension of humanity since the dawn of time. People who have gone beyond what they used to be, who have pushed back the limits of borders to a land of hospitality and encounters. It is by relying on its age-old culture and its talented youth that it is able to make progress and meet today's challenges, while constantly preserving its environment for the
And the front? Papatay mo na pag naka 15 seconds.
Pag naka na,
15 seconds. Yung
start ko na.
nag-start na yan. Inside the elevator. So it's big. Ano kasi harap? Mawala na yung pag- We're inside the elevator in Morocco Pavilion. Wow. So like oh, it's nice. Nice, no? Okay, picture mo na tayo.
Pasok ko din sa ano. Pero na yun sa ito.
Ay, yun, picture dito ninyo. Naiyon na tayo. So, ito ang Morocco Pavilion.
Hi! Welcome, Morocco Pavilion.
Ganda, no? Iba rin yung ano na.
Doon?
Kahoy ba talaga yan?
7th floor. Oo, ang kahoy yan.
Ganda. Tingnan mo, oh. Uy,
7th floor.
paano mo nalaman?
Sinabi.
7th floor to? Hindi ko narinig. Minyong, punta ka doon para makita kita. Kung ano tumakbo, okay lang yan. Naglalakad ka. Sige, bumalik ka na lang. Video mo ako.
Video.
Ito kami ay sa Morocco Pavilion.
Ay, wala ng tao.
Yan
lang.
Sharif al-Idrisi is remembered as the man who changed our
Ayan,
understanding
nag-iba
of the
na.
world forever.
Ikot ka lang.
Nicknamed the Prince of Muslim Travelers, Ibn Battuta traveled more than 120,000 kilometers across the globe on a voyage lasting almost 28 years. Leaving Tangier for Mecca in 1325, he sought out moral authority. He didn't know at the time, but he had begun a
Look
trip
at this
that would
one.
take him all the way to Beijing. Ibn Battuta would go on to travel through the Levant, Persia, and East Africa. He then wound his way through Central Asia before arriving in India. He traveled through Southeast Asia and finally reached China. After a short trip to sub-Saharan Africa, he returned home in 1350. In a book entitled The Rihla, Ibn Battuta left the world in awe-inspiring
Ayun na, nag-iba na
accounts of his
naman.
travels.
Ayan sila. Ayan o, mga people of the world.
Sila kabayan. Yung kabayan na.
So, nag-start tayo sa ano? 7th floor?
So, yung
Ay,
7.
7th floor.
Pababa na.
So, from entrance, nag-lift kami
7.
papuntang 7th floor. Tapos yun na yun. Handa na dito yung paikot na. Pababa. And every floor may mga rooms. Yun nandun yung mga exhibitions. Like ito.
Kandila.
Ito yung next na pavilion na papasukin namin. What's this? Bubble of Life. Baka mabasa ka ninyo. Baka mabasa ka. Oh, mamasyal ka na sa dagat. Malamig ang tubig. Argan Stories. Wait, this is Argan tree? So, May 10 as International Argan Day. Is this real? Totoo kaya ito ninyo?
Yung puno?
Oo. This is argan tree. Totoo? Wow.
Totoo siya. Oh, medyo malabay.
The argan one is coming from. Hinawakan ba ka? Hello. Look. Ganda, no?
Ganong ilaw kasi. Parang nabuhay.
எல்லாமே ஆளுக்கு கூட அப்படிதானே இருக்கு இந்த சைனாலாம் மேலே ஏற
Let's go inside. Wow. Plants power. Hello.
Kala ko lawak sa loob pa.
Uy, gusto ko dito ang picture.
Alam mo lawak mo.
Ganda. Ganda, no? I mean,
Dito din.
tingnan mo. Mga spices siya. Ayan, no? Tingnan mo ninyo. Spices and oil. Para daw to sa digestive system. Oh, mga ano yung pangalan niya, mga scientific name. Ito naman, oh, tingnan mo. Lepidium sativum. Throat, lungs, and genitals. Ito naman, nose, throat, heart, joints, sciatic nerve. So these are the plants power. Ito naman kabila. I think these are oil. Oh. Do not touch daw. Don't touch. Antibiotic resistance. Wow, how do antibiotics surround us? Chincha. Nice. It's very nice. A Moroccan solution for the treatment of antibiotic resistance. Captain A. Hello. Ano to?
Hindi na natagkal.
Nerves. Uy, babasag mo yan.
Hindi nga nakatagkal. Kabikit.
Ito, oh. Mga salt.
Ah.
Ah, di ba salt siya? Treatment of eye diseases po. Galing nila, ang dami nilang mga gamot, mga herbal medicines, no?
Halos lahat eh.
Nice. Sleep ng tonsils. Gamot to. Sa liver. Dami nilang gamot. Dami mo almonds skin. Ganda nito, no? Tara na. Yan. Ayun o, yun, kita yung opportunity pavilion dito. Ayun yung dome. Alwasan dome.
Oh, yun yung ano.
Ano naman to? Okay, silip-silip na sa Saudi Pavilion. As seen from the Morocco Pavilion. Ayun kami, oh. Hello. Ganda no ninyo. Ganda tong pavilion na to. At saka oo nga. Tsaka hindi ka suffocated kasi nga outdoor. Oh, di ba? I think this is one of the best pavilion. Nasa top 10 ko to. Top 10 ko tong pavilion. Look at the ground. Kids running around. Connections and development. So bawat floors, I think may three na rooms ano para mapasok mo. Na door inside na para mag-isa na labas. Ayun yung UAE Pavilion. Yeah. Yun ako man. Tapos lingon-lingon ka lang, salita ka.
No, ayoko magsalita.
Oh, sige. Lakad-lakad na. Nagmamadali na kami kasi malapit na yung number namin sa sushi room para sa aming lunch. Pero, hindi na kami nagmamask kasi outdoor naman siya. Oh. Open naman siya. So, outside.
Pero wala naman natanggap.
Oo nga, no.
Kasi pagkasabi siya.
Kasi pala rito, different kinds of doors. one? Which door? Yun. Ay, eto. Swipe your hand left or right. Ah, okay. So it closed. Doors.
First floor.
Sakto, gutom na ako.
Ganda talaga picture, Teo. Effort na effort, eh.
Di ba? Gusto ko yung kita yung taas ninyo, ha?
Ha?
So, kumuha kami ng king and shrimp. Tama na. Kumuha kami. Ilaw yan. Samok. Una, kung tempura yan. Oh, yan, sa'yo.